Vaishnavy.com అందరి భాగ్యనగరం.
Hello Andy, this is Vijay Prakash from Vaishnavy Group. I'm a Senior Vice President. Here we are displaying 12 properties which is spread across Hyderabad. Primarily, we have a project by name Sky City, which is located at Gachibowli Junction, which is a commercial project. This project is exclusively meant for the investment purpose, for the NRIs who is willing to invest in a nice location with a nice developer. This is a property for them. In this, we have both retail space as well as office. This project has 2 towers, and 1 tower is almost nearing completion. The next tower also will be completed and handed over in next 2 years. We even have a project by name Vaishnavy Urban, which is located at Bachapalli Main Road. In this project, we are selling 2 BHK apartment for just 42 lakhs. So when I say 42 lakhs 2 BHK apartment, most of the people, they have the appreciation saying that అక్కడ ఏమైనా ఫెసిలిటీస్ ఉండవేమో, గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ కాదేమో అని చెప్పేసి పర్సెప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద లార్జెస్ట్ గేటెడ్ కమ్యూనిటీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఎట్ బాచిపల్లిలో అండి. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ 2 BHK apartment just 42 lakhs. When I say gated community, we have all the amenities and the specifications and which a luxurious project has. Here we have 3 model, 3 clubhouses. We have swimming pool, we have tennis court, we have departmental store, and we have all the amenities which is required for the gated community project. This project is very close to various pharma companies and also leading international schools. This project is very close to, again, MMTS station and the shopping malls. We also have a project by name Solitaire Heights at Amirpet, which is a project for nearing for completion. This project, we have only 3 BHK flats available. That also very few flats are available. This project is meant for the people who wanted to reside in central city, especially the business community, doctors. For them, it's a preferred location. We even have a project by name Sri Nilayam, which is located at LB Nagar. This project is almost nearing completion. We will be handing over the project in next 1 month time. And this is one of the largest gated community project in LB Nagar vicinity, with around 770 apartments. We even have all the best of the amenities in this. We have a project by name Lake City, which is at Hafizpet. This project is designed for the IT segment people. This project is very close to IT City, Financial District, and various other IT companies. In this, we have 2, 3, and 4 BHK apartments. The project is already under progress. We will be handing over this property in 2023 December. We even have a plotting layout by name Greenleaf at Shamirpet. This is a project meant for the people who wanted to reside in calm, green, very peaceful location. This project is developed with the theme of villas. We even have the clubhouse and various other infrastructure facilities available in this project. Here we have also displayed 2 new projects, that is Vaishnavy Atlantis. This is one of the tallest towers in Hyderabad with 45 floors. This is at Narsingi, very close to Outer Ring Road and very close to Gachibowli Junction. In this project, we have Sky Villas on the top of the floors at 45 and 44 floors, 44 and 45 floors. And we have 2 clubhouses in this project. And one of the clubhouses is designed with exclusively sports theme. And this project has lots of new features which most of the projects do not have. Also, we are shortly coming up with a project by name Skyline with high-tech exhibition ground. This project would be launched in next 6 months. 4 to 6 months time we should be launching this project. And this project is exclusively meant for the premium community. wherein we are planning to have the apartment sizes starting from 2200 square feet onwards, as high as 3600 to 4000 square feet, and we even planning to have sky villas. We also lined up a couple of new projects which are located at LB Nagar, Musapet, Dapochampalli, Shamshabad and various other locations. Future we are also coming up with our villas also. All our projects are tied up with the leading bank, and all the customers can avail loan from the banks which are already listed with us. In this property, so far we have got very good response, and we got very good closings across all the projects. So we thank TREDA for organizing this event.
HyderabadTV.com Andari Bhagyanaгаram.